Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to set up Revolut for international travel. First, make sure your Revolut account is fully verified. Next, add money to your account before your trip. And if you have a physical Revolut card, then make sure it's activated. You can also add your virtual or physical card to Apple Pay or Google Wallet for contactless payments. Then before traveling, review your card's spending limits and check whether your destination currency is supported. After that, enable transaction notifications so you'll receive alerts whenever your card is used. And if you're traveling internationally, keep your phone number and security settings up to date so you can receive verification requests if needed. So that was how to prepare Revolut for international travel. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.